And welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a slick 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, guys. I bought this car. A buddy of mine out of Tennessee is when he found it for me. Older man had it. It's been a complete body-up restoration. It's been, 8-10 years ago that it was done, but still very nice, very well-maintained car. Factory tour red. This is the original color for this car. Sorry about the dust and the wind. Car's going to be dusty. You can see the wind's whipping around today, so. But good looking car. True RM Roadrunner. It's not a clone. Again, factory color on this car. It's got the very cool Halloween interior. That's not original for the car. It's been added. Good looking car, man. I apologize. You can see there's stuff on the hood already. It's just winds whipping and we got storms headed our way. If you see this, just dust, guys. I apologize. Chrome and stainless. Jeez, oh Pete's sticking on there. Sorry, man. It's got the chin spoilers. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. They did not redo the. It's got the original rear bumper, so you can kind of pick at that. But nice car. Walking around it, I could see a few little touch-up marks. Nothing major. Little stone packs, little stuff, touch-up marks, stuff like that. Again, that's just the dust, guys. I apologize. Dual sport mirrors. Again, love the Halloween interior in it. Very cool. Little stone peck there. Good looking car. Great sound. Healthy 440 in it. It was the original 400 car. Now it's got a 400 in it. Or I'm sorry. Now it's got a 440 in it. It's got great sound. Again, you can pick this rear bumper. It's an original rear bumper. Nice and straight down the sides. Looks like it's got all the original panels on it. As far as quarters, floors and stuff, very clean underneath, guys. When you see the pictures of the bottom of this car, it's very clean. Good looking car. Of course, it's got the BF Gs all the way around it with the factory rally wheels. Front disc brakes. Good looking car right there. Again, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. I guess the drivetrain is a little fresher. It's been redone. But like I say, it's not original to the car. The car was a factory 400 car. Holley 4-barrel. It's got a Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake on it. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds, a dual snorkel air cleaner, power steering, power front disc brakes, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, does have electronic ignition, and again, detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Fender tag, again, original EV2 car. If I remember right, it's got a 71 hood and grill on it. If you like those better. I'm sorry about the dust, man. Doggone it. Good looking car. Again, dual sport mirrors. Stainless looks good. Door handles are quite rich. Car's only supposed to have 47,000 original miles on it. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, he did the seats. They're not original to the car. Factory bucket seats with center console. I love the Halloween look in there, though. Not a fan of those mats, but I'll leave them in it. Factory dash, I'll get a close-up of that. He's redone all that. New sill plates. Door jambs are nice and clean. Headliner looks real good. Good-looking steering wheel. Yeah, 47,531. And again, he sent that dash out, had it all cleaned up. Everything in there seems to be working. AM radio, I couldn't get to come on. Flowmaster dual exhaust, nice cam under, in the motor. It's got a nice little lobe to it. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip in the rear. Jack with spares in the trunk here. Again, nice and clean. You can see it's got the original insulation on the quarters. If I can do this without pulling out. All body color in the trunk like it should be. Really cool car. Fun car to drive. Got great sound. Again, very clean underneath, guys. If I didn't just shut this thing off. Nope, we're good. I think we're still recording. Good looking car. New carpet. Seats look good. Obviously, they've been redone. Dash is really nice. No cracks or anything up there. Factory center console. Again, this stuff looks all original here. It's still pretty doggone nice. Yeah, nice little low to the cam. Sounds good. I love the chin spoilers on the front. Good sound. Yeah, the fuel gauge does work. It's just low on gas. Holding good oil pressure. Great sound. You can hear it over the doggone wind. I couldn't get the radio to come on. You know, I'll have to check the blower motor. Remind me of that. I've never switched it on. Make this work. Beep beep horn. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.